Hello everyone. For the coding 3 class, our team carried out a project focused on barbecue restaurant simulation. Especially, we were in charge of the utensils department.
That's right, the main activity involved hosting a real barbecue for 33 people. For this event, we developed a standard costing budget measures the actual costing during the activity and analyze all the results. Very nice.
When comparing both cost sheets, we noticed that most of the variants were favorable. For items like cups, forks, plates, and napkins, we spent less than planned because the actual consumption of units was lower than estimated, with even saved money of trash bags.
However, we encountered an unfavorable variance with the gloves. This happened because the market unit price increased from 500 to 750 pesos. Reasons cost for that items, like the aluminum, for foil, the thread, and lighter were completely inefficient, keeping the exact purchase price.
A key part of our project was the chart control. We initially budgeted 7 bags but only used 5 toward cost aquarium. We weighed each bag individually on the scale, recording weights ranging from 1,500 to 2,018 grams.
As you can see in our photograph evidence, we were constantly weighing materials, organizing supplies, and working as a team throughout the entire barbecue event.
Then, the estimated contribution per person was initially set 3,000 pesos, but thanks to tighter control and lower actual consumption, we closed at 2,400 pesos per person.
In conclusion, this exercise proved to us that strict cost control optimizes resources and generates significant savings compared to the original budget. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Sandrita Hernandez and I am from the beverage department. Today I will explain the summary of cost variation from an activity carried out in the tanks together with the other departments of the barbecue operation. In this table, we compare the standard costs, which are the planned or budget cost, with the real costs, which are the actual costs incurred during the activity. For raw materials, the standard cost was $479.30, while the real cost was $426.05, generating a favorable variation of $53.25. For direct labor, the standard cost was $243.18, and the real cost was only $35.57, resulting in a favorable.
I am representing the size department. Our mission was to prepare the side dishes for a barbecue serving 33 people, which included potatoes, cassava, corn, and fresh guacamole. First, we established a standard budget based on fixed portions and yields. We projected a total cost of 260.457 pesos, dividing our costs into direct materials, labor, and manufacturing overheads. This plan allowed us to maintain control over the initial food distribution. However, real production brought some changes. Our material had a favorable variance of 8,749 pesos because we optimized research like potatoes and corn. But on another side, labor and overhead costs went up. Manuel preferred the guacamole to longer, and we used more gas and extra aluminum foil during cooking. In the end, our total real cost was 276,004 pesos. This practice proved that strict time management and resource planning are vital to the profitability of our restaurant.
This report analyzed the planning and execution of a corporate barbecue events for 33 ways. The process included protein preparation and marination, grill setup, cooking, and the final preparation and serving of meats. Beef, chicken, breast, and the sausages were used as the main proteins. Their works and costs with monitored throughout the process to evaluate performance, calculate cooking loss, and determine the final cost per quest.
The standard budget established for the event was 478,611 Colombian pesos. However, the actual total cost reached 520,241 Colombian pesos, generating a cost version of 40,130 Colombian pesos, equivalente to an increase of 10.2%. This difference and mainly caused by higher labor costs and additional indirect manufacturing costs such as refrigeration and energy consumption. The analysis also showed significant cooking losses and divide and checked, reducing the final amount of product available per person and affecting in the planet serving standard. Based on the risk, research Hice recommends to deploy cost standard by considering actual cooking losses, labor requirements, and indirect postcard costs.
These adjustments will improve budget accuracy and help ensure that serving standards are met in future events.
Good morning, everyone. As the administration department, we evaluated the financial performance of the barbecue project using a standard costing system. The standard cost represents the expected cost of an operation and serves as a benchmark for comparing actual results. The total standard cost was 909,808 pesos, while the actual cost amounted to 940,845 pesos, resulting in an unfavorable variance of 21,057 pesos, equivalent to 3.4% above the budget. The main cause of the variance was the increase in direct labor in the meat production and food service department, where more time and personnel were required than initially planned.
From probability standpoint, the standard cost per person was 27,570 pesos, while the actual cost reached 28,510 pesos. So making an expected profit margin of 40%. The ceiling price increased from 45,950 pesos to 47,570 pesos per person. Additionally, the project weight of this ranged from 1,178 to 1,258 grams, while the actual weight was between 800 and 892 grams. The difference is explained by the natural quicker of the meat during cooking and by the normal waste generated in the preparation of the ingredients. In conclusion, the project meets its objectives and allows for the identification of opportunities for improvements in planning, cost control, and operational efficiency. Thank you very much.